Hey everyone, it's Arsh, and what I have here today is a robot that demonstrates feedback control. So the purpose of this robot is to follow a wall. This robot is driven by two DC motors, as you can see on the bottom here. And there's a servo attached to the sonar sensor that kind of looks like a head of this robot. So what the purpose servo serves here is it ensures that the sonar sensor is always parallel to the wall before the measurement is taken. Because as you can see, if the sonar sensor is not lined up properly with the wall, the distance measurement, it would measure this distance that would be actually larger than the actual distance from the wall, because it won't be parallel. So what we want is a distance that is measured like this when it's parallel to the wall. So I can demonstrate how the servo does this by pressing this button. So by pressing this button, servo should align the sonar sensor parallel to the wall. So let's hit the button. So as you can see, it aligned the sonar sensor parallel to the wall. I'm gonna change orientation a bit and try again. And as you can see, it basically made the sonar sensor parallel to the wall again. So I'm gonna run this thing and let's actually have a look at the wall following part of this robot. So I have placed the robot quite a distance far away from the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the start button. So this should sense that the robot's far away from the wall, and as it tries to move closer to the wall. So it has reached the desired state and it would try to remain in that state. This thing uses proportional feedback control. So the distance the robot travels in each direction would be proportional to the error. And as you can see, it wiggles around the desired state a bit. That's because of the proportional feedback control. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the reset button. And now we are going to grab the robot, place it on the other side of the wall. So I'm going to place it real close to the wall now, and then hit the start button. And let's see how it behaves. So as you can see, the robot drives away from the ball because it's designed to run, I think, 50 to 60 centimeters away from the wall. So it tries to maintain that state by continuously getting feedback. And yeah, so that's basically it. For this thing, I'm planning to try other forms of feedback controls as well. So I might do PID, PD, but that would depend on how much time I would have. But yeah, this was a quick, cool demonstration of how feedback control actually works. And I hope you guys find it useful. And I would be attaching the code for this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.